Here's how to connect your Nexus workspace to Claude. From any Claude chat, open Settings. Open Connectors and choose Add Custom Connector. Give your connector a name, Nexus. Then copy your endpoint URL from the Nexus dashboard. Paste it in and click Add. Now click Connect. Sign into your Nexus account to authorize. Your password is never shared with Claude. That's it. Nexus is connected and you can approve its tools as you go. Now just ask Claude. It works right inside your Nexus workspace. Nexus, your workspace, now inside Claude.